Hello, my name is Samuel Kunkel. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Dartmouth Hitchcock in Manchester, specializing in adult reconstructive surgery. One of the most important things in caring for patients is communicating and explaining both what's going on as well as the treatments available, and being able to do that in a way that's both thorough and understandable to patients. Whether it's a hip or a knee issue or another orthopedic issue are substantial, and the burden that they carry with these issues can be quite heavy. And being able to provide treatments which improves their quality of life and gets them back to activities they enjoy is incredibly rewarding. What separates Dartmouth Hitchcock is Dartmouth Hitchcock's commitment to evidence-based medicine, as well as their access to a broad, multi-specialty group with experts in really every field.